Yeah, what we're looking at here is flooding in the Big Bayaboo area. How the water get you so far?
From the Conservancy Lock,
So you're saying that they're releasing water from the Maduni sluice?
Maduni and Rama,
Okay. And since then the water start to raise.
start to raise. And this water has spent about 3 months here. And all the crops destroyed.
So how you intend to survive from now to the next 3 months?
And they got assist me with something.
Okay. So where is it you're looking for? Compensation or
They got to give me something. They got to supply back with manure to start back with crop and food. Because everything dug out. We had 6,000 for now start bill. Only take 3 bottles for them and all dug out. We got so much water.
and there is high ground that you build with
High
high mark?
ground bill with high mark. The government building the thing for we do. And
Okay.
all dug out.